If you're comparing Kashoo versus Sage Business Cloud and trying to figure out which one has better project costing features, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know which software truly provides the most value for your business needs. First, let's talk about Kashoo. It's known for its simplicity, making it an appealing option for smaller businesses or freelancers who need something lightweight but still effective. In terms of project costing, Kashoo offers project tracking capabilities, but it's a bit limited. You can assign costs to projects, track expenses, and generate basic reports, but when you compare it to other options like Sage Business Cloud, it might leave you wanting more flexibility and depth. Next thing, Sage Business Cloud is a more robust solution. It's designed for growing businesses, offering a lot more control and customization when it comes to project costing. Sage allows you to track your project costs in much more detail. Costs related to labor, materials, and even overhead can be tracked and reported on in various ways. It also integrates with other tools like Sage Intacct, which enhances its capabilities for project management. However, while it's more feature-rich than Kashoo, the interface can be a bit overwhelming for smaller businesses or those who are just getting started with project costing. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Kashoo wins here if you're looking for something that's quick to set up and doesn't require much learning curve. It's ideal for businesses that don't need complex project costing and just want to stay on top of basic financials. On the other hand, Sage Business Cloud, while offering more advanced features, can be harder to navigate, especially for users unfamiliar with advanced accounting software. The fourth thing is scalability. As your business grows, project costing can get complex, and that's where Sage Business Cloud shines. It's designed to grow with your business, offering more extensive reporting tools and customization options. Kashoo, on the other hand, may start to feel limiting as your needs become more complex, so you might outgrow it faster. Finally, when it comes to pricing, Kashoo is more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or freelancers who don't need the full range of project costing features. Sage Business Cloud, on the other hand, comes with a higher price tag, but it's better suited for businesses that need more control and deeper insights into project finances. So, Kashoo versus Sage Business Cloud, which has better project costing, well, both have their strengths, but if you need something quick and simple, Kashoo will get the job done. However, if you're looking for something with more depth and advanced features, Sage Business Cloud will be the better choice for you. That said, the software I've found that offers the best project costing features with a perfect balance of simplicity and functionality is not either of these. After trying all of them myself, I recommend checking out the alternative linked in the description below. If you want the best value for your project costing needs, you can take advantage of the free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out.